Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to cook Urad Dal in a pressure cooker. First, it is crucial to properly prepare the dal for cooking. Begin by soaking 1 cup of Urad Dal in 3 cups of water for at least 4 hours, or ideally overnight. This step significantly reduces cooking time and makes the dal easier to digest, ensuring a tender texture. A good soak makes all the difference for a perfect meal. After soaking, drain the Urad Dal and rinse it several times under cool, running water. This process is essential for removing any dirt or remaining starch, ensuring a clean and pleasant taste. Continue rinsing until the water running off the dal appears completely clear. This careful preparation contributes greatly to the final texture and flavor of your cooked dal, setting you up for success. Now transfer the rinsed Urad Dal to your pressure cooker. Add 2½ cups of fresh water for every 1 cup of dal, ensuring proper consistency. Stir in 1 teaspoon of salt and a small pinch of turmeric powder, which adds color and a subtle earthy note. Securely close the pressure cooker lid, making sure the gasket is properly seated and the vent pipe is clear. You are now ready to begin the cooking process. Place the pressure cooker on a medium-high flame and cook until it signals 3 distinct whistles. This usually takes about 8 to 10 minutes, depending on your cooker and stove. Once the whistles sound, immediately turn off the heat and let the pressure release naturally. Allow it to sit undisturbed for at least 10 minutes, ensuring the dal fully absorbs the flavors and moisture for a tender finish. Patience is key for perfectly cooked dal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.